Hey, Kyle here from Similarweb. Today I'm going to show you a very tangible example of something you can do because Similarweb's data is so fresh and reliable, something that you can't do with any other tool. I'll be using the Keywords by Industry tool within the Keyword Research module, and I'll pretend like I'm part of Wayfair's digital marketing team and want to discover trends within my industry, trends that can get us ahead of the competition and lead to a lot of business value. I'm going to type in furniture here, and I'll notice that it's already an option that Similarweb provides. And if I click See Keywords, I get this list of all the keywords that are driving the most traffic to this industry on the web. I'm going to first go to non-branded, so I eliminate the keywords that have a brand name in them as much as possible. And I'll also select trending terms in order to only get terms that are increasing in popularity a lot over this 3-month period. And then I'm going to sort descending by change so that I get the top growers at the top of the list. And look what I've got now. These are super valuable topics or keywords for your marketing team to be creating content about, or actually even passing off to your product team to say, hey, these are trends within our industry. What are we doing about it? Do we have products that we're creating here? Are there opportunities for partnerships, etc.? I literally have a bird's eye view of what's hot right now within my industry within just a few clicks, and I could be highlighting these and adding them to a list for future discovery if I wanted to. So with Similarweb, you can stay ahead of not just your competition, but the subject matter that's most critical for any industry. Hope you enjoyed this little hack.